Hi, my name is Madhav More from APCO English Academy. Today, we are going to learn very important words to make your communication and writing impressive. So, let's take a start. The first word is to come to an end. It means to reach an end. Example, the work has finally come to an end. Example number 2. After 3 weeks, the strike finally came to an end. Next word is come into force. It means to implement or come into effect. Example, the law came into force in January. Next word is in compliance with. It means in the way that is required by a law or rule. Example, in compliance with a court order, the company has ceased operations. Number 2. The workers were not in full compliance with the rules. Next word is in connection with. It means in relation to something. Example for this, the police arrested 4 men in connection with the robbery. Next word is have no concern with. It means having nothing to do with. Example, the drama seemed to have no concern with the truth at all. Next word at all cost, it means at any cost. Example, he was anxious to avoid war at all cost. Next word is colleague, a man who works in the same department of an office. Example, her work is highly esteemed by all her colleagues. Next word carnivore. It means an animal that eats meat. Lions and tigers are carnivores. Next word is infallible. It means unmistakable. Example for this, man cannot attain perfect and infallible science of bodies. Next word is illegible. It means incapable of being read. Example, his writing is almost illegible. Next word is impracticable. It means incapable of being put into practice. It means not possible in practice. Practically not possible. Example, the changes to the tax system proved impracticable as they were impossible to enforce. Next word is illicit. It means illegal, a trade that is prohibited by law. Example, they are doing the business of illicit trade of stolen vehicles. Next word is insolvent. It means incapable of paying debts. Example, when it discovered the loans could not be repaid, the bank became insolvent. The next word is illiterate. It means one who does not know how to read and write. Example, a surprising percentage of the population is illiterate. Next word is inaudible. It means incapable of being heard. Example, the noise of machinery made her voice inaudible. Next word is inflammable. It means liable to catch fire easily. Petrol is a highly inflammable liquid. Next is infanticide, the murder of infants. Example, they never practice infanticide. Example number 2. There is no doubt that infanticide was common among them in past time. Next word is invulnerable. It means incapable of being hurt or wounded. Example, the commander bunker is virtually invulnerable even to a nuclear attack. Next word is loquacious. It means a person who talks continuously or talkative. Example, since the employees knew their manager was in a loquacious mood, they predicted the meeting would be a long one. Next word is omnipotent. So sorry, there is a spelling mistakes. It is OMNI. There is extra I. So omnipotent, it means one who is all powerful. Example, the people overthrew the once omnipotent dictator. Thank you.